Sa magkakasunod na araw, isinagawa ang turnover and assumption of office ceremony sa 3 municipal police stations kasama ang Bukidnon PNP Provincial Director, Police Colonel Jovit Luntak Kulaway bilang presiding officer. Una dito ay ang Cabanglasan Municipal Police Station sa pagitan ni Police Major Dino M. Cuevas, outgoing Chief of Police, at Police Major Guy R. Pacamo, incoming officer in charge.
Isang organization tayo, we support and protect each other together with other stakeholders. Isa lang naman kalaban natin yung criminality, kasamaan, those who violate the law.
Kasunod nito ay ang Kalilangan Municipal Police Station sa pagitan naman ni Police Major Christian D. Sardinia, outgoing Chief of Police, at Police Captain Romeo M. Arcilia Jr., incoming officer in charge.
I urge you, ladies and gentlemen, dapat maramdaman natin yung bigat ng responsibilidad ng nakatang sa atin. You know, I am always telling that being a policeman, police officer, sa campus job. Tanging down if you do, down if you don't. Kahit anong gawin mo, mag-react ka sa isang sitwasyon, hindi ka sabihin ng tao, hindi ka mag-react, hindi ka sabihin ng tao. But just to say, we will do what is mandated to us.
At panghuli, ang San Fernando Municipal Police Station sa pagitan ni Police Major Guy R. Pacamo, outgoing Chief of Police, at Police Major Christian D. Sardinia, incoming officer in charge.
We do always kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung according to the law na tama, according to the rules na tama. Kung yung sa isip mo is only for the accomplishment, doing what is mandated to you, hindi tayo magkakamali. So, yan lang, reminder ko sa inyo, guided by your heart and your mind to do what is right dito.